Nakong ya ho dula setulo sa botonakgolo lemong tse 5 tse fetileng, haesale Dr. Zamani Saul a re o motjheng wa ho ntjhafatsa le hona ho tla ka diphetoho provinseng ya Northern Cape.
Our project for a digital two-song service center model app has been conceptualized. This app will take government services to your cell phone. We are quite excited to start the development of this app. The Office of the Premier, together with the Center for Public Service Innovation, is driving this initiative. I am happy to announce that the appointment of software developers at the CPSI is at a final stage. Honorable members, as part of modernizing the province and our education sector, the plans on the expansion of broadband connectivity is on track.
Mathata a metsi le tsamaiso ya dikgwerekgwere e ntse e le hloba boroko baahing ba bangata. Mme Tonakgolo o re ba tla tsetela dibilione tse 6 tsa diranta ho leka ho tla ka tharollo.
Government's first priority is to address the infrastructure challenges faced by all our towns, and as a starting point, we are focusing on Kimberley. In 2021, the province put in place a turnaround strategy for Kimberley, and 500 million was available to address disconcerting and urgent infrastructure challenges.
Ha ditaba di sa le mothating ona, mekga ya bohanyetsi e re ha ya khotsofatswa ke puo ya Tonakgolo.
Se Tonakgolo a fetsang go sibua gompieno mo bontsing ya tshone ga gona nnete ke motho e leng gore ke nagana gore bontsi ba nako ikaegile ka maaka.
Our health is in disarray. Our education is in disarray.
Tonakgolo Saul o re ditherisano tsa projeke ya ntjhafatso ya energy di motjheng. Thabiso Gadebe, Ditaba tsa SABC, Calvinia, Northern Cape.